Superior concha. In Chinese ear acupuncture, understanding the Zhang organ zone. The superior concha, Zhang organ zone. In Chinese auricular acupuncture, the superior concha, Zimba conchae, is known as the Zhang organ region. It contains reflex points for the five Zhang gene organs and endocrine-related points, representing thoracic and abdominal visceral organs, crucial for regulating internal organ function. Key points of the superior concha. Kidney. Upper posterior lobe tissues. Liver. Central superior. Chi stagnation headaches. Hypertension eye disorders. Spleen. Anterior digestive disorders. Fatigue, edema, poor appetite. Pancreas and gallbladder. Near spleen, diabetes, indigestion, gallbladder diseases. Core Zhang organ points. Liver points. Spreads liver qi, nourishes liver blood and harmonizes emotions. Treats stress, migraines, menstrual disorders, and eye problems. Spleen point. Strengthens spleen qi, resolve dampness, improves digestion, and promotes blood production. Treats poor appetite, fatigue, edema, and anemia. Kidney point. Tonifies kidney, yin or yang, strengthens it. Spleen point. Strengthens spleen qi, resolve dampness, improves digestion, and promotes blood production. Treats poor appetite, fatigue, edema, and anemia. Kidney point. Tonifies kidney, yin yang, strengthens jing, essence, benefits bones, ears, and regulates water. Treats low back pain, tinnitus, infertility, and menopausal symptoms. Beyond major Zhang points, additional points like Sanjiao, endocrine, sympathetic, autonomic, and adrenal may be included depending on the mapping system. The superior concha is frequently used for regulating internal organ function, digestive disorders, respiratory diseases, and endocrine imbalance. It's vital for chronic pain associated with organ dysfunction, immune regulation, hormonal balance, and emotional conditions. Mnemonic superior concha equals lung or organ zone. Heart, lung, liver, spleen, kidney, pancreas, and gallbladder. Other crucial points. Pancreas and gallbladder point regulates glucose, promotes bile, and improves digestion. Treats diabetes, gallstones, indigestion, and pancreatitis. Endocrine point regulates hormonal balance, modulates glands, and reduces inflammation. Treats menstrual disorders, menopause, thyroid issues, and autoimmune conditions. Sanjiao, triple burner, regulates movement, promotes fluid metabolism, and harmonizes burners. Treats edema, digestive urinary problems, and ear disorders. Overall clinical impact. Regulates functions of the five Zhang organs and harmonizes qi, blood, yin, and yang. Balances the autonomic nervous system and supports endocrine or metabolic regulation. Enhance immune function and help relieve pain and inflammation. promotes emotional well-being by influencing heart, liver, and shen, complements treatment of chronic internal disorders through auricular reflex pathways, targeted point combinations, anxiety and insomnia, heart plus liver plus kidney plus endocrine, hypertension, liver plus heart plus kidney, asthma, lung plus kidney plus heart, chronic fatigue, spleen plus kidney plus endocrine, diabetes, pancreas and gallbladder plus spleen plus kidney plus endocrine, PMS and dysmenorrhea, liver plus endocrine plus kidney.